Hello guys, welcome to the Pokemon card of the day, and it is Agent Koff. Agent Trillic is gone. I'm not with him. So, the Pokemon card of the day, well, it's going to be a 3-set. It is the Legendary Birds of Kanto. Now, first, we should go off with Zaptos. It's pretty good. 80 HP and 40. Its attack Thunderstorm does 40 damage. Then we go with Articuno, my least favorite. It has an attack Freeze Dry, which is 30 damage, and then Blizzard, which is 50. Then here's the Mighty Moltres, which has 70 HP, same as Articuno. The attack Wildfire. You may discard any number of fire energy cards attached to Moltres when you use this attack. If you do, discard that many cards from the top of your opponent's deck. And its attack Dive Bomb does 80 damage. This is Pokemon card of the day. This was for yesterday. Agent Koff is blasting off.